The United States' unclear crypto policies have led businesses like Ripple to explore investing outside the nation. Brad Garlinghouse has claimed the Ripple CEO advised the U.S. to follow the U.K. and Singapore. How do you think this will affect the cryptocurrency and the U.S. economy? We will answer these questions in today's video. Yesterday, the SEC accused Binance and its founder Changpeng Zhao with breaching federal securities law, sending shockwaves across the market. The SEC said that the world's biggest exchange by 24-hour trading volume allowed the trade of unregistered securities such ADA, BNB, BUST, Mana, Sand, File, Cody, Axe, Algo, Atom, Matic, Sol. The SEC did not classify XRP as a security. Since the SEC had sued Ripple and claimed XRP was a security, many anticipated it to be on the list. Yesterday, Fox Business writer Eleanor Terrett tweeted 3 reasons why the SEC didn't include XRP in the Binance case's securities list. Terrett said her legal sources told her the SEC didn't include XRP because it didn't want to make inconsistent conclusions. Second, because Binance is already suing Ripple over XRP, the SEC did not designate it as a security. According to Terrett, naming XRP a security in the Binance case might cause discovery issues. Finally, Terrett remarked that Ripple's court victory might undermine the agency's case against Binance in the eyes of the public, press, and Congress. In the Ripple litigation, the SEC has labeled XRP a security. In December 2020, the SEC accused Ripple and 2 executives of selling XRP, a security, for over $1.03 billion. Most crypto aficionados predict a summary judgment ruling this month after more than 2 years. The Ripple case will affect the U.S. cryptocurrency sector. Ripple's success might clarify industry regulations. If the blockchain firm loses the case, industry experts worry the SEC may continue its enforcement measures against crypto-related enterprises. The agency will label more altcoin securities. SEC Chair Gary Gensler considers everything except Bitcoin a security. The SEC and other agencies keep naming Bitcoin assets that may be security. In a lawsuit against KuCoin, New York Attorney General Nagy Letitia James claims that Ethereum is a security and meets the Howey test. As previously reported, crypto expert Ali Martinez notes the rising XRP network activity, which bodes positively for its price. Based on sentiment data, Martinez found a significant surge in XRP blockchain address creation, a sign of price escalation. This address creation quirk has drawn attention in recent days. In late May, U-Today, a leading cryptocurrency news portal, revealed this strange conduct. Citing sentiment, XRP address activity surges rank 2nd and 3rd in history. XRP rose 11 last week. However, at 54 cents, sellers are strong. Getting to 6 cents requires overcoming this barrier. As Martinez predicts, the price may rise. XRP, notorious for defying market trends, has again attracted traders and investors. Some see this as positive, while others are apprehensive due to the token's turbulent background. Will this XRP network development lead to a significant price increase? Or is it another false hope? The SEC's William Hinman emails revelation has also agitated the XRP community. The SEC has prominently deleted Hyman's biography from its website in preparation. REAP aficionados believe the SEC may remove itself from Hyman before the email publication. SEC CVs. Ripple relies on these emails. Ripple sought Hyman's 2018 speech drafts to enhance its fair notice argument when the SEC charged company with securities law breaches. Hyman declared Bitcoin and Ethereum non-securities but did not address XRP's legal status. SEC's request to seal these records was denied last month. On June 13, 2023, summary judgment papers and unredjudgment papers and unredacted emails will be released. The SEC sued the organizations a day apart. The SEC charged Binance with insider trading and asset concealment. Binance and its founder, Changpeng Zhao, have been accused of operating in the U.S. against prohibitions. The SEC accuses Binance of letting high-profile US investors utilize its platform. Binance, US, a crypto exchange with no links to Binance, is now owned by Binance and Zhao. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao and Binance entities engaged in an extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law, said SEC Chair Gary Gensler. As stated, Zhao and Binance deceived investors about their risk controls and corrupted trade volumes while aggressively obscuring who operated the platform, the manipulative trading of its connected market maker, and even where and with whom investor monies and crypto assets were custodied. They announced sham controls that they disregarded behind the scenes to keep high-value US customers on their platforms and evade US securities laws. Avoid investing on these illegal sites. Binance is not the only target. The SEC sued Coinbase the day after Binance's complaint was revealed. Crypto asset trading site accused of being unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Coinbase failed to register its crypto asset staking as a service scheme in its U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York lawsuit. The SEC argues that Coinbase and CG violated Securities Exchange Act of 1934 registration restrictions. It also shows Coinbase has violated Securities Act of 1933, securities offering registration restriction. The lawsuit seeks injunctive relief, disgorgement of ill-gotten earnings, interest, fines, and other equitable remedies. The industry's impact? The fintech sector was surprised by the rapid complaints. We asked experts how these cases would affect the industry. Gasper Stye, marketing director at crypto exchange Zonda Crypto, analyzes the litigation effects on each firm. Stye notes that Coinbase and Binance have strong US companies even if Coinbase plans to open a non-US company. Thus, litigation may last. He stated, the lawsuits are evidence of the fact that regulatory pressure on the crypto industry is tightening. Along with the SEC's actions in the U.S. and MiCA approval in the U.S., more authorities probe crypto. Related firms, their operations may have a global effect. Consumers are also becoming more aware of the risks of utilizing services from firms that don't follow rules. Experts in the cryptocurrency sector have been analyzing the latest developments in the market, particularly the SEC's move to sue Binance and Coinbase, the two largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. In less than 24 hours, the SEC filed lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, saying that the exchanges violated federal securities law by allowing the trade of virtual currencies that were classified as securities. This action has caused some controversy among crypto fans. Top Bitcoin specialists have tweeted that the commission's lawsuit against California-based tech firm Ripple is the reason for the crackdown. Yassin Mobarak, founder of Desert Capital, claims that the SEC is afraid of losing the Ripple litigation because of the agency's onslaught on the two main cryptocurrency exchanges. He pointed out that a judgment against the SEC in the Ripple case might create a dangerous precedent. Mobarak claims that the SEC is trying to divert attention away from a potential defeat against Ripple by focusing its major effort on Binance and Coinbase. This allows the SEC to claim that their defeat against Ripple is unique to the XRP case and not representative of the sector as a whole. Interestingly, respected Bitcoin writer Zach Rector has hypothesized that a settlement between SEC and Ripple is imminent. Rector did not provide any further information on the possible compromise. However, he made that comment an hour after the SEC had filed suit against Coinbase. Moreover, another crypto advocate going by the name Baba has claimed that the SEC's recent crackdown on exchanges is evidence that the Ripple litigation has been settled. The crypto enthusiast pointed out that if the SEC's case against Ripple hadn't been resolved, the agency wouldn't have gone on with its lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase. An XRP community member named Ashley Prosper commented on the current developments and said that the SEC's decision to go after Binance and Coinbase does not indicate that Ripple lost at summary judgment. He emphasized that regardless of the outcome of the Ripple litigation, the agency would have pursued legal action against the exchanges. Furthermore, Prosper said that the SEC would have used a portion of the order in its actions against Binance and Coinbase if Judge Annalisa Torres had previously issued a summary judgment finding in favor of the SEC. In my opinion, the Ripple case is closed and the SEC should move quickly to award Gary Gensler a decisive victory before 2024. Prosper said, I think the winner will be Coinbase and the loser will be Binance. It's worth remembering that Judge Torres has not yet decided the Ripple case on summary judgment. It's likely that a decision will be made at any time now. However, XRP supporters think the parties will likely reach a settlement before Judge Torres makes a ruling